Look out, here she comes, the woman that I love. It's too bad she'll never know. Yeah, I can't tell her how I feel, because she has someone who makes her happy. I'm a ghost in these walls, or at least I try to be. 'Cause I hope that I'm not showing how I feel for her, but she won't feel the same for me. I've got this picture in my mind. It's just the two of us, just the two of us. But I know I'll have to try.
Caves Beach is a locality on the Swansea Peninsula between Lake Macquarie and the Pacific Ocean in New South Wales, Australia. It runs for just 300 meters to the north to Hams Beach. Caves Beach is a part of City of Lake Macquarie local government area. The locality is named for the large number of caves on nearby coastal line. It has a surfing beach which is popular with local surfers. Local business includes a resort and a small shopping center.
Try to let her go, because she won't be mine. I listen when she talks, I watch her when she walks. She's giving me these feelings that, oh, she's with somebody else, and I will have to let her go. She will never know, nah, never know, nah, she will never know, nah, never know, nah, she'll never know. It's like she stole my heart without knowing she did. But I guess that it will pass. Yeah, I can't be the only one who got lost inside the blue of those eyes. I've gotta let her go, I know it won't be easy. I wanna hold her close.
Caves Beach has a network of sea caves which can be explored at low tide. A heaven for the kids to play in the sand and pick some shells. Caves Beach are easy to access in low tides. It's a great location for photos. You can explore the rock pools and take lot of Instagram worthy pictures. The caves are absolutely safe, however, are best explored during low tide. The adjacent surf club has a canteen which sells the usual takeaway lunch food. Caves Beach have plenty of parking, beautiful houses near the beach, safe waters, a beautiful park, and of course the cave to explore. It is popular with families. The beach is patrolled by paid lifeguards and volunteer lifeguards as well. The Cave Beach is 1.5 kilometer drive via M1 from Sydney. It's almost 140 km away
But
from
I
Sydney.
have to try as hard as I can, 'cause she'll never be mine. I listen when she talks, I watch her when she walks. She's giving me these feelings that I've never felt before. And she will never know that I love her so well. She's with someone